What's up, y'all? Back at the LS swap G Body Malibu project. I guess the last video when we left off, we were just got the heads on. It's pretty much a long block at this point. In here, cleaning up the rocker arms and all, and getting them on. I guess we didn't look last time, but them some really nice looking cam motion springs, titanium retainers. So just I don't know if you want to actually see me doing work. Just figure I'd video maybe a little bit here of me actually doing the work instead of y'all seeing the finished product. I don't know what you want to see. Y'all let me know down in the comments. If you hadn't already, subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's going on. And hit the like button if you like what we're doing here on the channel. So just tightening up these exhausts, or just snugging them up right now. I think they're actually supposed to go 18 foot-pounds. I'll have to look them up. A lot of people just snug them up. So the intakes, rocker arms, they're gonna be a little different than what I do with them. Not so much the tightening them, but one thing, as you know, we ported these heads. If you watch the porting videos, if not, they're on the channel. I think it's 3 parts. Of course, like most people, I opened them up to where the intake rocker arm bolt boss is open now to the intake port. So you don't want oil seeping down in that, so you got to seal them somehow. So what I'm using, a lot of people use, I've seen Loctite, I've seen RTV, but I'm using this aviation Forma gasket made by Permatex. It's messy as can be, I can tell you that. But as you can see, it's run all over. It says pressure resistant and leak proof to high octane gasoline, grease and lubricating oils up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So that ought to cover us. I've actually had that before, used it for sealing head bolts in the big block Chevrolet, so that should keep oil from leaking down, or I don't think gas would come back up through there, but keep oil from leaking down into the intake port, which can be bad, cause detonation, especially if you're using a power adder. So I'm gonna get all this stuff tightened up, and I'm gonna try to edit this video again and maybe have a little more action. Anyways, see you in a bit.